G'day, ladies and gentlemen. We're here today in this most momentous day of the day. The sun is out, the skies are blue, it's bright.
Okay.
Are you broadcasting now?
Yeah, ganun ba ito na?
Hello. Oh, good morning. Good morning, customers and others. Welcome back. Here we are in this moment.
Here we go.
Good morning. How you going? Hi, customers. Good day again. Here we are unboxing the Delonghi all the way from Romania. Hooray for Romania! And now we're going to open this box from Romania. Thank you, Delonghi. Here we go. Now we're going to open this box. Bingo! The top is open. And what do we got? We're going to find out. Slowly the box is opening. It could be a mouse jump out of a trap. We never know. And there it is. Holy moly. There's the instructions. Instructions? What's that for? I can't read. And here we have the box of tricks.
And it said,
And it says,
welcome to the world of coffee.
from Romania and Delonghi. Hooray!
You open what's in there.
So we open up the box.
Guys, siya daw mag-unbox na lang
All the way.
natin.
A surprise box. I said a surprise.
Sige.
There's more instructions.
What's instructions?
And some more instructions.
Okay.
And some more instructions. And now we've got the box. The Echo de Calc
That's
box.
for cleaning.
For cleaning, they say.
This is, no, you have to read properly. That's the warranty. Look, warranty information.
That's
and this,
a warranty.
This is the cleaning.
That's a cleaning brush.
Cleaning brush.
To clean
What's the other
after
on
you use. So there's 3 books. And here we've got the filter. The filter to keep your water clean.
Move it.
And there we've got the coffee measure. When you don't use beans, you want to use the other coffee, you can measure that and pop it in. So that is the box of tricks. And now the next is we got the cord. Without the cord, see the cord?
Yeah.
Without the cord, the machine don't go because you've got to hook the cord to the power and switch the power on, and then you get the machine to go. So that cord is very important, isn't it, customers?
That makes sense.
So that's the way it goes. And now, with a flick of the wrist and a spin of the wheel,
Magic.
up we go. Hey, look at this. Up, 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 up. Hey.
Slide it there. Sus, mahulog din karon. There, okay, there. Just stop it there. Okay.
And there it is. The box of tricks
Okay.
from Delonghi and Romania. And it's got here on the register now with Delonghi and say hi. So here we are.
Opening the magic.
And now we do the magic box. We pull the plastic off one by one.
Wait, are you helping?
Here we go. The first one. First one coming off. Oh, there's the first one off. And now the second one off. What's it? I never know what's going to happen when the second one comes off. Hey, the second one's off, and there it is, all wrapped in plastic.
Are you sure?
In plastic. Here's our little box. By the sound of it, it looks like, oh yeah, it tastes the milk. So you have nice, frothy cappuccino.
Yeah, that's the
Thank you, Delonghi. Now,
that's a plug.
there's the machine. We pull the plastic off to unveil.
For the milk frother.
Right. Ta-da, 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 ta-da.
Is it
As the
showing?
plastic comes off, and you will see there is the machine.
Okay, move here, forward here, so it will focus.
You pull that out, so you take the more plastic off. You have the drip tray. So you got the drip tray here.
Show it.
That's a drip tray, nice and shiny. Look at that, you can see yourself in the mirror.
Where that from?
See, it's like a mirror. See, look at that. Mirror on the wall. Did Delonghi make this just for us? Yes. So in here is the catcher. Do you know if you play baseball, they have a catcher who catches the ball. This catches the coffee, used coffee, in there. So that's it. It fits too.
Yeah,
so
perfect.
then it goes into the machine like that, and single, it's in.
And this one is a
Now on the side.
No, this one first. This one.
Now on the side, we have the most important part. This is important because if you don't have water, how do you have coffee? This is the water.
Be careful.
That takes the water. See, you fill the water in there. The water goes in there. And goes in there, and they got the level.
And the filter will be there.
And the filter goes in there.
Yeah, filter
which
will be
we put
here.
in at a later date. Put that back in there. Now here's the coffee machine. This goes up and down, and this is where your coffee comes out of the machine.
Yeah.
That's there, so you move it up depending on the size of your cup you use, a small one or a big one.
Yeah.
This is for your hot water spout. If you just want hot water, that's your hot water spout. So when you don't want the hot water, you pull that out.
Pull that and then
You
put
pull
this.
that out, and then after you've filled that up with milk, at the moment it's filled with paper. Paper don't make good coffee, so we'll put milk in later. So then that goes in there where the hot water spout was, and zingo, you're ready to go. Now on the top here.
Wait, it's not showing. Wait. Okay, there.
And on the top here, we've got more paperwork. Another letter from Delonghi from Romania saying, hello, how you going? So you then put your coffee beans in there, all in there. But if you've got coffee powder, you open that up and put your coffee powder down there. If you don't want to use coffee beans, you want your own coffee powder, you put it down there. So you can go to close, you put your coffee beans in. In here, you've got a grinder connection where you can set the grinder to how
Grind down.
you're going to set your grinder to how much you want your beans grinded, whether you want a smooth grind or leafy grind or thicky grind. So you just set that when the machine's going. When the grinder's going, you set.
Okay.
So that's there.
Now what else?
So someone would think I'm from Delonghi in Romania. Hi Delonghi, hi Romania. How'd you go in the Olympic game, Romania? Good? That's good.
Okay.
So there it is, ladies and gentlemen, customers. That is the coffee machine. Later on we'll try it out to see if it does work, and then we'll keep you informed when it's done, and show you the real coffee. And so thank you for watching. Enjoy your day, and thanks for watching. Next time you'll be watching me drinking a nice frothy hot cappuccino. Cheers, thank you. Like, subscribe, I'll be back.